I need to go on. My God. Should I say? Look my outfit. Because I do Zumba today. Should I look? But this is like a loss. Something like that. I will do Zumba today. That's why. It's red. My God.
Zumba ka na?
Oo, Zumba. Bag na ko lang. Thank you for watching. I need to prepare and going to Kuwang.
Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to Kuwang, guys.
Mga guys. After this video, easy money. Guys,
Thank you so much.
mga guys. For today's mga guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
Guys,
Doing Zumba today.
chat, that, line, dan song.
Pada itu gabna cellphone ko.
Sabon to ka, mama?
Dili sa ko. Tapos sa di-charge niya din.
Kapag ako,
Mana arayo niya to.
kaya, sabon? Ang karigo lang dito.
Dili.
Karigo na nga.
Sagun ako na paano ka pasakay.
Oo na. Ang tawagon ka na. Mama.
Ayuhan. Hi, Rihan. Hi, Rihan. Thank you for watching. Hi, Asha. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Oh my God. is your day going? My day going is good. How about you? Ito rin, hi, hala.
Where's your what?
Ito rin sa ilalim dito sa kwan. Kada na paper bag. Thank you for watching, everyone. 5 people, 3 likes. Thank you.
Paper bag.
Yun na bag ko. Paper.
Yes.
Yes, paper nga eh.
Naging bag yan. Yan. Kaya, from this to this. Opo nga pala.
For today's video, thank you for 7 people.
Hindi pa ito. 6,
Look,
7.
I need to, because it helps me to talk beautiful, something like that. Thank you for watching. Hi. Thank you for 10 people in the house. Look. How do I look? Oh my god. My kulay. How do I look? Ba't ba kasi may ganito? Thank you, 18 people. Jerry Hayes. Hi, USA. Cleveland, Ohio. Hi. Need to get some rest. A bit tired. How about you? I'm fine. I'm going to Zumba after lunch. Now, in a few minutes, we're going. Zumba competition, something like that. Love the look. Ah, thank you. Maybe you can send super chat something. Oh, thank you, 20 people. Hi, how are you? Thank you for the likes. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. How I look beautiful. How I wish I look beautiful. Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate your good compliment. Oh my God, I need to be beautiful talaga. Oh my God, I don't know who, but I try. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Natural beauty. Ah, thank you. Natural beauty. Oh my God. Oh, yes.
Ano?
Doon natatawa din sa ano, pag
Ano
toilet.
oras?
Yan, mga 12.
Vamos!
No, maganda mo na ka din. Tsura ko.
Ha?
Oh my God. The service is gone. Hi! Hi, Shannon! I'm going to Zumba today. Our team is going to Zumba, so I'm one of the invited. So, oh my God. Are you going to, so yes, going to Zumba. Going to Zumba. This scene you put makeup on. Yeah, I put a little upon. I don't know how to put, but I just have fun. Just a little, but I hope it works. Something like that. Thank you, Shannon. Don't want to make a yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm behave. I'm behave. No need to. He don't need to get jealous because he knows I'm Kwan. He knows I'm all. I'm. Oh, what should I say? He knows I love him. We both love each other. Like we trust each other, something like that. Yes. You are a good girl, but distance is, yes, distance is hard. Oh, that's right. Distance is really hard talaga. Haven't chatted with you for a while. How's marriage life? Not yet marriage, Derek Jones, but get married soon. Getting married soon, yes. Ooh, finally. Oh, I need to, haha. First time. Do I look, Shannon? Do I look? Oh my God. I look one. It looks nice. Oh my God. But the ano is having a short, so it's fine. No worries. Like, right. Thank you. Oh my God, it's one. What's the shoe? Ah, yes, the shoes. Oh my God, I forgot the shoes. I'm calling my colleague, but that's not an answer because I will tell her I'm getting ready now. What shoes? This is the shoes. Thank you for watching. Oh, my vegetable. Oh my God. Oh my God. No need reds, just a little bit of one. I get jealous when you were engaged, but you are still a good person. I wish you the most happiness. Ah, thank you, Sir Derek Jones. Thank you so much. Yes, I think we're happy together because Mike is a good person. He's a good man. I was thinking you were heels. No, I can't heels. I, I don't like heels. I like heels, but not for me. Because I'm boyish when I walk. I'm like a boyish, something like you are getting ready to go out and have a good time. I say yes. Hi, Sir Mark. Douglas. Thank you, Sir Mark. Derek Herman is very sweet man. Yes. Mike is Derek John. Sir Derek. Mike is a very sweet and Juan. He's a good man. He's a very good man. No worries. Thank you, Shannon. Even he sleep too much. Mike is sleep too much, but it's okay, it's fine. It's good. He need to rest because he took a pill. That's why he sleep a lot. He has to be a good person because you choose him. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Sir Derek. I have talked with Mike here. He is a good person. They are being married soon. Maybe October. Yes, Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. I hope so. And friend will be the maid of one. Yeah. Hope you come, Shannon. Hope you come po. I don't know how to put here, but I don't know why. I don't know how to put here, but that's enough. I think that's enough. Oh my god. Another string. Yes. I will see from a distance. Yes, Sir Fred. Proud that you are very beautiful without the makeup. You don't have to use it, but it's okay if you do. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you for the likes. You said my name? Thank you, Sir Fred. Yes, call up, you will see. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you for joining. I'm going to the wedding so I can meet your cousin. Yes. Oh yes, yes you can, Sir Mark. Hello, Shannon from Sir Fred. Why you putting makeup? Because I need to be pretty. Because ladies there they are pretty. Sir Fred. I I do look I look good. She might like me a lot. I hope so. Just be yourself. Just be yourself, Mark Douglas. You're more beautiful than. Thank you, Shannon. I'm not single. Rookie. Thank you for the 20 people in the house. Okay, yes. Okay. Oh, maid of honor, yes. Yeah, maid of honor and also the Kwan. Awesome, so stylish. Thank you, Kuya Spencer. The trolls come, yeah. The trolls come. And best man, yes, Sir Fred. I hope you can. She is as pretty as you are than she's prettier than me, Sir Mark, my cousin. She's prettier than me. Yes, Fred from Shannon. There's on one side and suit on the other. Yeah, that's only here. I'm going to leave for now. Have a good night. Thank you, Sir Mark Douglas. Yes, Shannon, I will do short with all the outfits and let everyone vote which outfit. Thank you, Sir Fred. Look, this is our costume. Oh my god. Do I look good? Oh my god. No! As of right now, yes, Shannon. And sis, have fun. Thank you, Shannon. I hope Cheryl's family don't get upset. I don't know. Oh my god. I hope they will. I will explain. Maybe they said, oh my god, who's this the crazy man? He ruined your wedding, Cheryl, something like that. Who is your date, Cheryl? No date. This is Zumba. Remember? Zumba today. Sana'y maintindihan mo. Just tell him I'm confused. What's... Oh my yes, so that's something right. Something like that, Sir Fred. The top of your headband is supposed to go behind your hand in the back, yeah. Yes, po. This is the pair, so that's this is the outfit for the Zumba. Something like how much to what? Thank you, Shannon. Thank you, Sir Fred. I didn't. I to wear the corner. Look. Do I look good? Sounds good, Fred. Wait. She going to sweet it all off. We discussed it in my screen, yeah. On Fridays I would wear the outfits also. Wow, really? Oh my god. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. He would, but that's not. But thank you, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. Charles, no, you would get him, Shannon. Thank you. Yeah, he said. Sana'y maintindihan mo samantala. Never does appropriate a person's religion. Yes, Charles. Yes, that's right. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you. Sana'y maintindihan mo. And that's why we don't discuss religion. That's right. Hi, Sir David. Have fun. I will go into 1 o'clock because, yes, 10:40, 20 minutes more. So no one gets offended. Yes, no one gets offended. Because our religion and the politics and then the gender. So no one gets offended. That's right. That's right. My outfit. The outfit for today. Sunday morning. The Zumba outfit. Oh my god. Sunday morning. Oh my god. It's so fun. Thank you. No one don't pay attention. No, she don't pay attention. She rather dance and sing to us. Sorry. What? Sorry, Sharon. Sorry, Sir Fred. Kitty is been your legs. Kitty? The cat? The kitty cat. Sorry. That's fine. You have shorts. If you have shorts, you get big trouble. Yeah. Yeah, I have shorts. Double shorts. Shorts there's and I have another shorts and so I'm secured. Just don't forget to wash the kitty when you come home. Huh? The kitty? Shannon, what is... I need to wash? As everyone dressing and same outfit. Yes, same outfit, Sir Fred. Same outfit is like me. Because we are same as me outfit. Yes, po, Sir Fred. Same outfit. We're same. She's look for the cat. Okay. Yes, but I think no cat. I'm looking for a cat. Wow. Kitty is where my... oh my God. I'm sorry. Ano ba yan? So sorry, I'm slow. The candle liquor. Oh my God, she's gonna learn. Yes, I need to learn. My click sure. Nano ba ya? I'm tearing up, Lapia. That's why I wonder where's the kitty. Wow, Bibi needs a nap. Yeah. She with her mother. Maybe she going outside, but outside too hot. Shannon is crying. She laughing so much. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't know the kitty. My God. That's why I wonder where's the kitty.
Paluin ka na naman. Sige. Mamay na tayo maglaro. Mamay ate. Pag-isip na. Mamay na. Alam ko tayo sa lugar.
Puta, is that right? No! Oh my God. Puta is a bad word. My God. Pusa. Oh my God. Puta. What is puta? Oh my God. Oh my God, bad word, puta. Wow. Yes, I get that. Does it mean like the yes, the bitch? Yeah, the bitch. Something like that. Bitch. Oh, what is the right? That's not a bad word. Huh? That's not a baha. Yeah, I get it. So does it mean a bitch? Yes. uh, puta is a bad word. What is the right word? I don't want to say the right word about that. Are? Are is like a Batanggenyo. Are ang Batanggenyo, are. Are is like this. Like this. Are. Are eh. Areng hadban ko eh. Are. Oh my God. Door. Are door. I don't want to kwan. I don't want to what you call this. I don't want to say that word, Shannon. My God. Google is wrong. Ari is I yes. It's right. Shannon, that's right. You are right because different the word is different what I understand. Ari, sometimes like that. You're right. That's right. Shannon, you are right. That's right. Ari. Yes. Oh my God, Sir Fred, why you say that? Oh my gulay. Maybe you can. Shannon is right. Ari. Shannon is right, Ari. To make you blush, oh my gulay. Shannon is right, but you're right, Sir Fred, but okay. Yeah, that's why it's really kwan to say that word. The ano kwan, the poo. Hello, Ira Raza, Ali Raza. Hi, Ali Raza. Mine's right. You're right, and you're right, Sir Fred, but you're right. You are the very, what do you call it? Literal. Very literal. We spell, oh, no, 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 no. I deleted mine and Shannon's. Okay, thank you. Done. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Shannon. Yeah, you both right. But Sir Fred, you're right, Sir Fred. Very literal, the word. Oh my God. Sorry, I overstep. I didn't mean to do. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine, Shannon. I'm open-minded and I. Fred, got jokes, hala. It's okay po. Just fine. No worries. I understand. I need to go now. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. I will do live when I'm go there. Doing Zumba. Thank you for joining. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, Sir Fred. Bye, Shannon. Yeah, she open-minded and when mics around, other parts are open. What the Sir Fred, my God. Some Something like that. No need to kuha. No need to say that. Ma. Thank you, Shannon. Bye-bye. Oh my God. Surprise. Bag! Ay.